In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. We'll move through each click slowly so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll share a few helpful pointers along the way so you can avoid surprises. First, open Asana and head to your home screen. This is your starting hub, and it ensures you're in the right workspace before you make any changes. If you work across multiple organizations, double check you're in the correct one to avoid removing something from the wrong place. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar and find your list of projects. Click into the section where your projects are organized, then select the specific project you want to remove. Take a moment here to confirm it's the correct project by glancing at the team name, the project title, and a couple of tasks inside. If there's anything you or your teammates might need later, consider archiving instead of deleting, or export a copy of key data before proceeding. Once you're inside the project, go to the top header where the project's name appears. You'll see a small drop-down arrow right next to the name. Click that arrow to open the Project Actions menu. This is where Asana keeps options related to the project as a whole. From that menu, choose Delete Project. Asana will display a confirmation window to make sure you truly want to remove it. Read the prompt carefully so you understand what's being deleted. Deleting a project removes the project container and its tasks from the project for everyone who had access. This is meant for cleanup and is best used when a project is finished or created by mistake. When you're sure, click Delete to confirm. The project will be removed. Immediately after, Asana may show an on-screen undo option for a short time in case you clicked by accident. If you don't see the delete project option at all, you likely don't have the required permissions. Reach out to a project owner or an admin to perform the deletion. That's the full process. Open Asana and go to Home, choose the project from the left sidebar, open the drop-down next to the project's name, select Delete Project, and confirm by clicking Delete. Before wrapping up, a quick best practice. Let your teammates know you're deleting a project, especially if others are still referencing it. Clear communication helps avoid confusion and keeps your workspace organized. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to safely remove a project from Asana.